Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Twilio SendGrid to Zapier, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Twilio SendGrid to Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign up process. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner of the dashboard. You will be directed to a new page where you can choose a trigger app. In the search bar, type and select Twilio SendGrid. Choose the desired trigger event, such as new email. Click Next. You will need to connect your Twilio SendGrid account. If this is your first time connecting, click on Sign in to Twilio SendGrid. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you for your SendGrid API key. To get your API key, log into your Twilio SendGrid account. Navigate to Settings and then select API Keys. Click on Create API Key, and give your key a name. Choose the appropriate permissions for your needs and click Create in View. Copy the generated API key. Go back to the Zapier pop-up, paste the API key, and click Yes, Continue. Zapier will verify your connection with Twilio. Once verified, click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to set up the action that follows the trigger. Search for and select the action app you want to connect with, like Google Sheets. Choose an action event, for instance, create spreadsheet row. Click Continue to configure the action. Connect your Google Sheets account by providing necessary permissions. Next, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Map the fields from Twilio SendGrid that correspond to the columns in your Google Sheet. Click Continue when done. Review your Zap to ensure all details are correct. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on your Zap. Your Twilio SendGrid is now successfully connected to Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.